This video will show how to set up and print to PrintCloud Plus using the Smart Device Connector app for both Android and iOS devices. In order to connect using the method in this video, your smart device has to be on the same network as the printing device. After downloading and installing the Smart Device Connector app from either the Play Store or the App Store, you will need to link the app and Ricoh Smart integration by signing in to your account. From the Smart Device Connector app, scroll to Ricoh Smart Integration and click Sign In. The login screen opens in a browser window. You will need to log in using your Ricoh Smart Integration credentials. To use your email address and password, simply enter them and click Login. Click Confirm Other Login Method to see more options. Next, you will need to enter an email address. The address does not need to be valid, it just needs to be in email address format. Then click Next. You can log in using a tenant ID and user ID or with an Office 365 account. Click Login with User ID. Input your credentials. Now click Login. Your account is now linked. To print a document from your PrintCloud Plus account, select PrintCloud Plus. A list of your files is now displayed. Select the file that you would like to print. Click Print Settings and change the settings as needed. The Smart Device Connector app provides several ways to connect to an MFP. In this video, we'll connect to an MFP using a QR code. Click Read QR Code. You can now read the QR code from the MFP control panel or from a printout. Here we will read the code from the control panel. Click Next or tap for Next. Take your mobile device and scan the QR code. The QR code has been read and the file will be printed. To save time, you can stay logged into Ricoh Smart Integration after the file has printed.